What's going on, everybody? Apple World here, and welcome back to the Why You Need series episode. I have no idea what episode I'm on. I did this, 5. Welcome back to the Why You Need series episode 5. If you guys haven't checked out these videos, I will of course link them down below. So anyways, I use my Apple TV every single day, and I mean that every single day, whether it's to listening to music, whether it's streaming Netflix, whether it's streaming YouTube. I use it with my family. I use it every single day, and in my opinion, everybody who loves technology needs an Apple TV. So this is why you need an Apple TV. So the major reason you need an Apple TV is basically for streaming content. That's basically what I'm doing like 80% of the time. For me, that means YouTube and Netflix, but you probably use HBO or Amazon Prime Video. It's just amazing how today we have access to all of this content on our fingertips. I mean, whether it's on our iPhone, on our iPad, on our iMac, whatever it is. But I think and I believe there's something different about watching content on the TV. A person that I know personally yesterday, she asked me, and a lot of people actually asked me the same question. Should I buy an iPad Pro, like the big one, like this guy right here? Or should I buy an Apple TV for watching video? And I always tell them, get an Apple TV. Of course, an iPad Pro, you're always going to have to hold it. It's just not comfortable. I mean, if you want to watch like 3 full episodes of a series, I don't think an iPad Pro is comfortable. Of course, sometimes I even do it as well. So I mean, the answer is clear. Watching content on your TV and simply relaxing on your couch is very different and so relaxing. So now that the content part of the video is out of the way, let me tell you how the Apple TV is different than the rest. Now Siri, yes, the Apple TV brings Siri to your TV. So that means you can ask for the weather, play music, and most importantly, play movies. So you can basically ask Siri things such as play me movies from the 90s, or show me movies with Harrison Ford, or show me movies with what's trending. I think you get the point. The Apple TV can also control all of your HomeKit devices, including your heating system, your AC, and most importantly, your smart lights. It makes Siri so convenient because let's say you're watching a movie, for example, you can say, Siri, it's movie night, and literally the lights can go purple and the blinds can go down. It can be so useful. With the brand new Apple TV, we now get an app store, and there's so many great apps out there from some amazing developers, which by the way, I'll be uploading a 5 must-have Apple TV apps video within the next few days. Make sure to stick around, make sure to hit the subscribe button to not miss out. Now what I love the most about the App Store is you can download and play games on your Apple TV. There's just something magical about these games because they're mobile games but brought to the TV with a remote. I don't know, it's just something special. And that's just the beginning. I mean, I don't really want to make this a long video, but you can basically do AirPlay with your iPhone, so you can basically, everything that your iPhone or your iPad sees, you can project it on your Apple TV, so that means you can do presentations on your TV. Or a thing that I do a lot, for example, is when my family comes over, like for example on Christmas dinner, and we're just showing photos, everybody can put their photos from their iPhone to their Apple TV, so we can all laugh at them and smile at them and maybe cry. You know, it's just a cool experience. The Apple TV just, I love the Apple TV. So anyway, should you buy an Apple TV? My opinion is yes. I can understand that comparing it to other competitors, for example the Chromecast from Google, which is really cheap. I understand that the Apple TV can be a little bit expensive, but if you're in the Apple ecosystem and you use Apple Music and iCloud for your photos, for example, the Apple TV is just, you're going to have a better experience because it's just all going to be in one place, and then you've got AirPlay. If you love Apple and if you love the Apple ecosystem, definitely get the Apple TV. So anyways guys, that's pretty much it for the 5th episode on the Why You Need series. To be honest, I love this series. I love the Why You Need an Apple Watch video that I did. There's just, if you read out the comments on all the Why You Need videos, especially on the Why You Need an Apple Watch videos, you'll read that, you know, I actually convince a lot of people, which is awesome. I mean, I love convincing people to get Apple products because I love Apple products, and I think we all do. If you're watching this video, you probably love Apple products too. So hopefully I convinced you to buy an Apple TV, and if you already had an Apple TV, hopefully I convinced you even more that you already have an Apple TV. If you want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts such as this one, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.